Hi guys, it's me Anne from Geeks of Green and I'm super excited today to do this video because it's an unboxing video and I haven't done an unboxing video for quite some time now. So this has been long due. Before I get started with the unboxing, I would quickly like to invite you to follow me on Instagram for a lot of fun activities and plant updates and being part of this growing green community. I'll quickly tell you a bit about the seller. This seller sells plants on Instagram. That's how I met her. She's called Plant Mail, and her name is Valency. And let me tell you one thing about her. I've had the most wonderful experiences buying plants from her. So she is one of my very favorites. Let me also tell you this that this video is not a sponsored video. It's a genuine video. I've paid for all of the plants, and whatever I tell you and whatever I'll be showing you is going to be absolutely as it is. Okay, the plants that I've ordered today are belong to the Araceae family, all five of them. There are five plants inside, and I'm really excited about them because these have been on my wish list for a very long time now, and I'm getting all of them, so I can't stop smiling. I literally can't stop smiling. So I'll stop wasting time and let's get opening the box. Now, before I open the box, I also want to show you that the way she's packaged it is really good. It's super compact. Plus, she's also put a little sticker here that says fragile, handle with care. So I hope the delivery guys have paid attention to that. And also consider this, guys, that the lockdown causes deliveries to take a little more time. So this has been in transit for more than it would ideally or generally be. So keep that in mind when you look at this unboxing. So let's get started. I have my scissors handy. Okay, so it's time to open it. Everything is packed in paper. So as you can see, she's wrapped it in paper with tape and all that. And there's a pot right below and there's a wire. I think it's to hold the plant in place. So let's see. Sorry for my reaction, guys. Can you just see this fellow? This is the King Anthurium, the Anthurium Veitchii, and it has been on my wish list forever. And it's come in such great condition, which is awesome. I'm super happy. Oh, so she's put two plants in one. Okay, okay. Is this the Raphidophra Hayi? I'm not sure. I think it is. Okay. So she's quite smart. She's put two plants in one. So there's a King Anthurium right here. Anthurium Veitchii. There's a little browning on the leaves. That's okay. It's a wishless plant and it's come in good condition. And this one behind it, I think, is the Raphidophra Hayi. So let's see what else is in there. And I'm like super happy. I'll get it out of these things a little later. So now I'll just leave it like that. So let's go for the next one. This one is without a pot. Okay, here you go. This one, you can see that she sent it with cocoa peat. There's cocoa peat in this plastic bag. It is the Anthurium Radicans. And we'll talk about it as soon as we unbox all these plants. I'll quickly talk about each one of these, and I'm super excited to have this one. Just check out the leaves; they're so gorgeous. The next one, let's go for the next one. There are some teeny weeny ones, and I want to open the big ones first. Oh, there's mud all over it, but the plant seems to be fine. Okay, it's also in a pot. Okay, this is really good. This is the Anthurium Crystallinum. Just look at the leaves, guys. This is so beautiful. I'll give it all a wash and I will show it to you all. Okay, there's something inside. Oh, it's good. It's good. It's a wonderful, beautiful plant. Just check out the leaves. Yeah. This is a wishlist plant and I'm super thrilled. So there's a wire here as well, if you can see, and she's used it to fasten it. Just good. I don't want this to end because I'm getting like all my wishlist plants. Super happy. I think this was just to kind of not let the plants move. She has packed it in with a lot of newspapers, but I just don't want to throw it away. What if there's something hiding inside? There isn't. Never mind. Okay, well, here there is a surprise here. And little fellow. Okay, so this is so cute. She's written wishlist plant. And let's open and see. I haven't paid for this one. Okay. This is a gift that she's given me. Oh, yeah. This is a variegated syngonium. And it is pretty small, but it is a wishlist plant. And I really hope that this fellow grows with me. I'll be so thrilled because I've always wanted this fellow. Okay, so yeah, I'm so happy and thrilled. Thank you for this little one, Valency. Is a wishlist plant, and I'm so glad you sent it to me. So I'm going to water all of these guys and keep them in my balcony because they have traveled all the way from Goa and they have finally reached here in good condition. And I'm going to wait before I do anything to them or trouble them. Let them acclimatize to the conditions in my balcony. So before I do that, I'm just going to remove all of these tissues and sellotape and the wires and separate the plants so that they can be watered down and kept in my balcony. Who are you? Oh, silly me. I just realized that there's another fellow sitting right here. He's a little dusty, but he's fine. He's absolutely fine. Just check out this leaf. This is the Philodendron Gloriosum. And this is another wishlist plant. The roots are all very healthy. I will pot it right away in a very free draining soil, a mix of coco peat and compost. And that's it. And I'm going to keep it, water it, and let it acclimatize to my balcony. Gently without troubling the roots too much. Anthuriums don't like their roots being disturbed. So please forgive me, dear King Anthurium. Don't want to get in your wrong books. Okay. So this is not my first shingle plant, but yes, it's one of the first shingle plants that I have. And I'm super excited about this. This is the Raphidophra Hayi or Hayi, I think. I'm not sure about how the name is pronounced, but I'm super excited about this plant and I can't wait to put it somewhere and get it started. Oh wow, this is really gorgeous, isn't it? It's like a drawing. Fishless plant. Yay. Okay, so I'm just keeping them here right now. And this is my king anthurium, which will go back into the pot. Do not want to disturb you anymore. Please don't be upset. I'm going to leave you alone. This plant can grow really big. It is an epiphyte, and I can even put it in a hanging planter somewhere, and it's going to be happy. But I will read up a little more about it to know what it exactly needs and try to keep it happy. So I have potted the plants and I'm going to show them to you and talk a few things about it. Maybe just one or two lines about the plants, and I will also tell you the prices of the plants. So the prices of the same plant may vary according to the condition of it, according to the size, or even the maturity of the plant. So this here is the Anthurium Veitchii, and it is also called the king anthurium. The leaves really grow long and it's an epiphyte, like I said before. So I'm going to probably put it in a hanging basket somewhere with my rubescens over there. Uh, and I'm really excited to have this one because it's a very stunning looking plant. Now I paid 1800 for this one. This is a very rare plant and it's difficult to find. Now I always say this when I talk about rare plants because what is rare here won't be rare there, and what is rare today won't be rare tomorrow. So rare is subjective, and but I'm super thrilled to have this in my collection. Now I would say that some leaves are damaged. Yes, Valency did tell me that there were some caterpillars that have eaten up some leaves of some of the plants, but there are 5 leaves on this plant, and I'm really happy with it. I'm sure it'll come back because the roots are healthy, the plant is healthy, and I'm sure once it acclimatizes, it will get better if I continue to take care of it. So this is a prized possession now. This here is an Anthurium Crystallinum, and it's got 5 leaves. There's a new leaf, and it's got a lovely color. The new leaf has a very pretty color, just like the Clarinovium that I have. This is very much like the Clarinovium, but the leaf shape is different. This one is longer, and the texture of the leaf as well is different. This is slightly rougher than that, and the veining structure is different. But this is a gorgeous plant. The leaves become really big, and if you look closely, there is a silver sheen to the leaf. Even the undersides have a silver sheen. So I'm in love with this plant. It's a beauty. I paid 650 rupees for this. This here is the Philodendron Gloriosum, and I paid 200 rupees for it. I will wait for this plant to sprout more leaves, and I'm happy with it. It's a healthy plant. The roots are healthy. It's a crawling terrestrial and something like the Mimi, and I'm very happy with it. The leaves look even more velvety and stunning when they are a little more mature. So this is a wonderful plant to have, and I've really been excited about getting this one. This here is the Anthurium Radicans, and I paid 850 for this one. It is again a very gorgeous looking plant. Most of the leaves, all the leaves in fact, are slightly damaged, but there is a new leaf shooting right here. So I'm happy. And what I love about the leaves are they're cordate, as in they are heart-shaped leaves, and they are bullate as well. Bullate means it's got these ruffles, these bumps, which give it that personality, and I really like that. I wish that the leaves were less damaged, but never mind. I'll be patient and I'll wait for the new leaf to come, and I hope it comes out perfect. This one is the Raphidophra Hayi. So I paid 550 for this one, and I'm so excited to have it. I've been looking out for this one for very long, and it's in such great condition. Doesn't it look stunning? It's a shingles plant, and I'm very excited. So Valency is giving me 2 cuttings, which is thrilling. I'm really happy, and I hope this really grows. I can see there's a lot of new growth at the nodes, and I'm looking forward to this plant putting out more leaves and growing. It's so pretty. I really love the way this plant grows. The form of this plant is what I am a fan of. Okay. So this is a great acquisition. I'm really happy. So this one is a gift from Valency. She was very sweet to give this one to me. It's a variegated syngonium. There are three leaves exactly on it. This one is yellowing. I think it's going to die off. But there's a new leaf. This new leaf is unfurling, and there's very less variegation on it. It's a very small plant, but I hope that it will grow. So thanks a lot for this one, Valency, and I'm really happy with it. It is a wishless plant, and I'm super thrilled. Today I'm going to be sleeping with a big smile on my face. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing like I did. I was super thrilled to get all these plants, and I'm so happy after the lockdown. This has been one of my first orders of plants coming in, and I'm really, really happy. I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, do give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for further notifications. I hope to see you soon next week in another video. Till then, stay green.